Okay, this is going to be an unusual kind of video because this is all about pigeons. This little guy's a pigeon, believe it or not. So we're doing a pigeon video. Look at that. It's another one kind of like that, only he's got all those little feathers for his little boots. See, so pigeons aren't all just gray, you know.
Yeah, all kinds of colors.
Yeah, and that one there is taking a break. He's a pigeon. Now look at this one. Look at his neck. You kind of see all the different colors in it. There's some purple. Sometimes it's a little turquoise. Look at that, his neckline. As he moves around, you see like all different colors coming out of him. That is like really neat. He's also very chunky. You hear him make that noise? Can you hear the noise? That is cool. All about pigeons. Hello, and you are pretty. Alright, now I'm going to show you this one. This one's really unique. Now if he can hold still long enough, look at his fur. It almost looks like yarn, messed up yarn. You know, like a rug would be, you know. Someone pulled all the strings out of it, you know. Really, really different. So if you can, just put that video right on pause so you can really see this, because it's all curled right up. See if I can get close like this. Look at this. Look, now that's just messed up. Look at that. What do you think of that? Can you imagine that? I mean, it might be good for Maine winters and everything, but I ain't never seen anything like that. If you have, let me know if this is common in your area, but this is really different for me. Look at that. It's like all knotted up like yarn. Pulling of the yarn, you know, some of those rugs they have. Look at that. And he's not going so fast, you can really see it. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that unique? Unreal. How do you like that? Cool, huh? Alright, stay tuned for some more as I bring you more whatever. Be sure to sub me. I bring you some very unique stuff. Bye-bye now.